another Adminnovate quick tip. I'm going to share something special with you today because I just got done an awesome workshop where we worked with some amazing administrative professionals working through the Adminnovate model. And here's a key takeaway. What these Rockstar admin professionals realize is they have to take a careful inventory of their windows. And in the Adminnovate model, the window is your workflow. The workflows are the things that administrative professional is responsible for as a part of a larger process. And what happens is when you have these Rockstar admins, they tend to take on a lot more than 6 windows. It starts with one extra request for help and one favor here and one favor there. And before they know it, they have a flood of additional requests and they have more than 6 windows. They start opening up walls and sliding doors and letting way too much information into their house. So what I'm asking them to do and what I'm asking their leaders to do is to take careful inventory of their windows and workflows to make sure that they understand the most important parts of their job and to be able to identify when simple requests turn into extra windows and workflows. That's always an opportunity to look at processes, efficiencies, or additional hires.